Hi guys, welcome to Faith, Fun and Learning. It's my favorite time of the year. I love it when the sun is out and our kids are off on holidays, but sometimes it can be really challenging to find things for them to do. So today we're going to be sharing a super fun and educational activity. We trapped tiny jungle animals into colorful balloons, added some water and froze them overnight. The next day we had these amazing ice balls with animals inside. Stick around and let me show you all about it. So guys, the first thing I did was I made a selection of some jungle animals and some vibrant colors that I wanted to introduce my 1-year-old in particular to. And we sort of squeezed the animals into the balloons and we filled it up with some water and we put it to the side. We repeated the same process for all the other animals, but like I said, my priority here was also to really familiarize them with these colors. So I gave them the opportunity to choose what colors they wanted me to use, what color balloons, what animals they needed to go in there. And I made it really fun and engaging. And we all had a really good time doing this. But guys, you don't have to do it exactly the same. You can use whatever toys you already have around your house and your kids will still have an amazing time. We even took turns filling the water in the balloon and it was so much fun. There was loads of splashes and it was an amazing time doing that. So guys, once we had all the animals trapped in the balloons, we sat around the water and started storytelling. Each of us held an animal in our hands and made up fun stories, just letting our creativity flow. It was so amazing to see my kids' imagination come to life as they invented adventures for their little animal friends. Once we were done, we popped them into the freezer and the next day we took them out. Guys, you need to see the look on their faces when I tore open the balloons and they saw the animals stuck in there. Immediately, it was rescue mission. My 3-year-old immediately ran for his water gun and he started to spray the ice balls and he was saying, "It's okay, Giraffe, we'll get you out. We'll get you out." Initially, I sort of suggested that they should break the ice, but they tried that and it didn't work. And then I remembered how important it was to allow them to figure it out by themselves and allow their creativity and problem-solving skills to kick in. My 3-year-old was on it. He would fill up his water gun with some water, go back and try to melt the ice. He went back and forth until he got all the animals out. At some point, he got a towel and he wiped them dry. And once he rescued one, he'll put it to the side and he'll be so proud of himself.
Now, Uncle Joseph, when it's clean, now you can take it.
Okay, thank you.
This is one very cost-effective and fun way to keep your kid entertained. He was on there for a good hour. I left him there and he took his time and got all the animals out. I totally recommend it. If you do this and you love it, please leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know how you get on. I've got loads of fun other ideas using balloons and other simple items. Let me know what you like in the comment section and I will be happy to share more tips and tricks with you.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. It does really well for my channel and the algorithm. Thank you.